Elon Musk just revealed what could possibly be the most groundbreaking vehicle launch in the entire history of cars. Social media headlines are going wild, calling it either a game-changing electric vehicle or a technological tremor shaking the auto world to its core. But here's the billion-dollar mystery keeping executives up at night. How did Tesla build a car so futuristic that it shattered multiple records and still kept the price low enough to make luxury electric vehicles reachable for average buyers? Musk even acknowledged during a discussion that every time they bring out a new model, they must go through extra layers of approval, and sometimes they have to push back against established car makers. Wait, before we zoom ahead into this wild revelation, here's your moment to be a real one. If you're watching this right now and thinking, why didn't I know about this before? Then maybe it's destiny. We're still under 1,000 subscribers, and your single click on that subscribe button could help Amp Drive take off like a rocket. It costs nothing, but to us, it's everything. Subscribe now to be part of the electric wave before it becomes history. Now, in the next few moments, you will learn exactly how Tesla managed to pull off secret engineering marvels, witness the near-impossible technological breakthroughs behind it, and understand why this single vehicle will not just affect the car market, it will shake global economies and permanently change what it means to own an electric vehicle. First, how did Tesla quietly break global records in ways that seem beyond belief? The initial mind-bending record has to do with how quickly the Model 2 is expected to take over the market. The projected market spread is so intense, it almost sounds made up. Tesla is aiming to seize around 20% of the worldwide compact electric car market within just 6 months of its debut. To put this in dramatic perspective, the previous top record was held by Toyota's hybrid Corolla, which grabbed 15% share over an entire year back in 2020. Now brace yourself. BYD's Dolphin, one of the most celebrated compact electric cars ever launched, required a challenging 18 months to inch close to 10% of global market share. But Tesla? The Model 2 is expected to crush those numbers, doing 3 times better. And the secret? It is their sharp focus on markets others barely look at. While every other automaker remains laser-focused on the United States and Europe, Tesla is going full throttle into places like India and Africa. There, they plan to sell more than 200,000 units by the final quarter of 2025 alone. This comes straight from Tesla's internal planning data for the first quarter of 2025, which shows brand new manufacturing facilities becoming operational in India and Mexico, specifically to feed this incredible demand. When you take a step back and realize that global compact electric car sales in 2024 added up to 8 million units, Tesla's goal of selling 1.66 million Model 2 cars by the middle of 2026 translates to a share so huge it will force other automakers to tear up their playbooks and start over, or risk fading into irrelevance. The second jaw-dropping achievement is technical and has engineers worldwide doing double takes. Model 2, it's an unbelievable 4.5 miles per kilowatt-hour, leaving the previous top performer, Lucid Air, in the dust at 4.2 miles per kilowatt-hour. And get this, Lucid Air starts at $74,900. Meanwhile, Model 2 delivers even better energy efficiency at under $25,000. This is not just a small improvement. It completely redefines what a budget-friendly electric car can deliver in performance. The secret behind this efficiency lies in a completely redesigned thermal management system that cuts energy waste by 25% compared to BYD's Dolphin, which delivers just 3.8 miles per kilowatt-hour. In real-world use, this means a 50 kilowatt-hour battery gives Model 2 a range of 225 miles, while slashing charging costs down to just $2.50 per 100 BT miles. By comparison, other electric cars hover around $3.50 for the same distance. That adds up. Quickly, Model 2 owners could save hundreds of dollars each year just on electricity, dramatically lowering the overall cost of ownership. Other companies will have to meet these standards or risk being left behind. Now here comes the third record, And it might be the most shocking yet. It levels the playing field by bringing ultra-advanced technology once exclusive to six-figure luxury cars into a vehicle that costs under $30,000. Model 2 becomes the very first electric car in that price range to provide unsupervised full self-driving, available as a software upgrade delivered wirelessly. While other brands such as General Motors Cruise or Waymo offer self-driving at costs above $50,000, Tesla's estimated $5,000 upgrade for Model 2 creates a level of competition nobody expected. The current leader for affordable autonomous features is the Mercedes EQs, which in 2024 delivered Level 3 autonomy for $14,400. Tesla's Model 2 aims to offer potential for Level 4 self-driving at less than a quarter of that price. It is not just a technical victory, it is a direct hit to every premium automaker. Tesla's internal forecasts say that nearly 40% of Model 2 buyers will opt into full self-driving by 2027. That is double the 20% adoption rate among Model 3 drivers in 2024, proving that affordability beats luxury when it comes to adoption. Now, the fourth record pushes this vehicle from technology into a social movement. Within just 2 days of being revealed, Model 2 generated more than 10 million mentions across platforms like X, Instagram, Reddit, and YouTube. That surpasses even the iPhone 16, which generated 8 million mentions in 2024. This isn't just buzz, it's a digital tidal wave. To grasp how massive this really is, remember that when Tesla first revealed the Model 3 in 2016, it caused 5 million social media posts. Model 2 just doubled that. And even more fascinating? Around 85% of the posts about Model 2 are positive. BYD's Seagull, which enjoyed strong social media engagement, only scored 60% positive sentiment. These numbers suggest a very real sense of consumer excitement. People are genuinely thrilled that Tesla is finally opening the door to its futuristic tech at an affordable level. Now imagine a car that dominates market share, breaks energy records, democratizes self-driving, and becomes a pop culture moment all at once. But let's ask the second big question. How does a car under $25,000 do all of this? It starts with Tesla's intelligent climate control system, driven by neural networks. This is not science fiction. The system gathers live data from billions of miles driven in all kinds of weather, from icy Alaska to burning hot Arizona, and learns how to operate better in extreme conditions. In minus 20 degrees Celsius, Model 2 still keeps up to 95% of its range. No other electric vehicle under $30,000 even comes close. BYD's Dolphin, for instance, loses as much as 30% in similar freezing weather. But Model 2 adapts in real time. This kind of performance is thanks to years of Tesla investing in machine learning thermal systems. It's a game changer for people living in cold climates like Canada, Northern Europe, or the Northern United States. Then comes something no one saw coming: the peer-to-peer charging idea. It's like adding a layer of Airbnb over Tesla's already massive supercharger network. Here's how it works. You plug your Model 2 into your home charger, and someone nearby, maybe a neighbor, can tap into your power and charge their Tesla. You earn about 10 cents per kilowatt hour through the app. It turns owners into little electric utilities. Tesla believes 50,000 users will join this program by the end of 2025, adding 100,000 new charging points without building anything new. While others like Electrify America scramble to catch up, Tesla is harnessing its own users and it's winning. And don't forget the augmented reality heads-up display. Model 2 connects its 15-inch touchscreen to an AR system that shows navigation, alerts, and even pedestrian warnings right on the windshield. That's tech you'd expect in a Mercedes S-Class or BMW i7. But here it is in a car priced like a used sedan. Research shows this AR feature can reduce accidents by up to 15%. And Tesla is bringing that safety benefit to people who never thought they could afford it. Lastly, we must talk about upgrades. Tesla flips the old model of car ownership by building in premium hardware but locking advanced features until you want them. Want faster acceleration or better driver modes? Just pay when you're ready. This on-demand model, like the one that made Apple's App Store a success, means your car grows with you. It improves over time, resells for more, and reduces buyer's remorse. Tesla expects this upgrade feature alone to generate $150 million in the first year. No other budget electric vehicle has dared to try this, neither Nissan, Ford, nor BYD. Now tell us what impresses you most? The charging network? The battery optimization? Or the modular features? And now for the final part. What does it truly mean to own a car like this? For generations, owning a car meant paying for fuel, repairs, insurance, and pollution. Model 2 throws all of that in the trash. For the first time, here is a machine under $20,000 that can generate money, help the environment, and even evolve with you. And it is only possible because Tesla already built the foundation for it. This includes the ability to earn income by renting out your home charger. Add the on-demand features through software, and suddenly, you have a car that upgrades itself, earns money, and keeps value all for less than what many used cars cost. And on the green side, Tesla's real-time route planning and adaptive climate tech make this one of the most energy-efficient vehicles ever produced. When combined with the company's zero-emission battery production chain, Model 2 does more than just reduce your carbon footprint. It helps heal the damage done by older gasoline vehicles. But the most powerful shift is not even technological, it is economic. Tesla's first 100,000 Model 2 reservations come with access to something called the Abundance Protocol. This is a new digital system that connects your car to a wider Tesla universe, solar energy sharing, peer services, and intelligent optimization tools. It brings users into a futuristic economic world where energy, movement, and money flow freely in ways the old systems cannot understand. Even Wall Street may not be ready. Tesla's current stock price is based on old model scarcity, production numbers, and revenue. But once Model 2 proves that mobility can be affordable, profitable, and sustainable all at once, those valuation models collapse. The real future of investing becomes about what Tesla can give away and still keep growing. Elon Musk has made a bold statement: electric cars can be powerful and cheap. Smart vehicles can earn for you. Owning a car can improve both your lifestyle and the planet. Still wondering if this is for real? Rewind. Watch again. You just witnessed a turning point. And if you do not want to miss the next surprise Elon has in store, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell right now. Amp Drive has the inside scoop, and you want to be here when the future hits.